Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Ramadan 2026 is almost here and it's time to spice up our Iftar menu. We all love chicken tikkas, but today I am going to show you how to make a spicy Tandoori Aloo Tikka. So let's make the recipe. Heat a pan of boiling water. Now add 3 potatoes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. As the potatoes cook, they will absorb the salt and spice right into the center, so they will not taste blunt later. Once soft, drain the water completely and keep the potatoes to a bowl. Mash well while they are still warm to get a smooth, lump-free texture. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and 2 chopped green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken Tandoori Masala, 1/4 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, 1/4 teaspoon of Coriander Seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Cumin powder and half teaspoon of salt. To make it crispy and bind it together, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix well. If the mixture feels too dry, you can sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now let's shape them. Take some mixture and roll it in your hands. Make a shape. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. In a bowl, take 1 egg and beat it well. Set up a plate of breadcrumbs. Dip the tikka into the egg mixture, making sure it's fully coated. Then roll it into the breadcrumbs. Press gently so the crumbs stick. You can freeze these raw breaded tikkas in a Ziploc bag for up to a month. Heat oil in a pan. The oil should be medium heated. Now place the tikkas. Fry until golden brown. Since the potato is already cooked, we just need to brown the crust. Take them out and serve with ketchup. I hope you try this spicy recipe for your next iftar. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.